Hello everyone, this is Dolly from JD Life. Today I'm going to introduce this cream, Beyond Angel Aqua Daily Cica Cream. I will show the package, the abilities and the effects of this cream. If you like our video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our new channel. Also, you need to know my mother language is not English, so maybe I will make some mistakes, sorry for that. So let's start. However, I applied on too much cream through the test, but you can see the absorption is not too fast, so I definitely don't recommend this cream for the morning. I think the finish is really heavy and it seems really shiny also, but at least it's not that sticky, just a little bit. However, the absorption and the finish are not my favorite, but at least the moisture is really good. It's moisturizing your skin for long hours. I try to figure out what's the smell about, but actually I cannot really feel anything. It has a really slight smell, so I would say it's a yes for me. This product contains 0 unsafe, 0 allergenic, only 1 moderate, and 0 high concern ingredient by the EWG. This cream contains a lot of natural and active ingredients such as shea butter, licorice root or rosemary leaf, altogether about 20. I gave 4 points for the silky texture, only 3 points for the slow absorption, 4 points for the semi-sticky finish, 5 for the moisture, 5 for the scent, and 5 for the safety. Altogether, it's a 26 out of the 30. I hope you enjoyed the test. Now let's see how and when should you use this product. As I have mentioned, this product has a really nice texture, but at the same time it's absorbing into your skin quite slowly. So I would mostly recommend this product to be used at night instead of morning. If you would use this cream in the morning right before the makeup, maybe the makeup would be more beamy and more sticky, and I think not that long lasting as it's supposed to be. First you need to cleanse your skin thoroughly. Next one is the toner, it's a really important step. After that you can put on some essence or serum, ampule, lotion, but only in the end you use the cream. Now let's see how to use this product. My model is my husband. So it was the how and when should you use this product. Now let's see about the effects. I was using this cream for about 2 months already. I would say this product is working after 1 or 2 weeks of usage, but if you have serious acne problems, seriously troubled skin type, maybe this cream will not work that fast, but still it's a quite nice product, so your skin will be more smooth and moisturized. If you have acne skin type, troubled or oily skin type, I would recommend this one, but also if you have dry skin type, it can work on your skin. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. I will come back about 3 times a week. See you next time.